Nagbanta si Cagayan de Oro Representative Rufus Rodriguez sa maghahain siya ng ethics complaint laban kay Minority Floor Leader at 4-piece Party List Representative Marcelino Libanan. Sa gitna ng kanilang sagutan sa Kamara kahapon matapos mag-privilege speech si Libanan. Pinunan ni Libanan ang paggamit ni PCG spokesperson Commodore J. Tariela na makarikature ni Chinese President Xi Jinping sa isang university lecture. Git ni Libanan, hindi naman niya dinidepensa ng China. Nananawagan lang daw siya na pairali na disiplina at profesionalismo ng mga kawani ng gobyerno. Sagot naman ni Rodriguez, nakakainsulto raw na tila pinagtatanggol pa ng isang mambabatas ang China. Anya dapat bawi ni Libanan ang kanyang mga pahayag, kung hindi ay maghahain siya ng ethics complaint.
Patriotism is not measured by how loudly we speak, but how responsibly we act. No one here questions the sincerity of the official involved. This is not about silencing voices. It is about aligning voices.
I am insulted that a member of this Congress will stand up in favor of China. Madam Speaker, J. Tariela is doing his job as spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard because the very reason why this spokesman has to move and act is because China has been violating the sovereign rights of the Filipino people, the Republic of the Philippines, for so many years, bombarding our vessels, now with water cannons, lasering our officials and our Coast Guard.
Mga kapatid, Jig Manikad po, pagdating sa mahalagang balita sa loob at labas ng bansa, dapat una sa lahat, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.